This video today, here we go. YouTube's tips for operating gray and black in 2025. Fourth, it's getting your content flowing again. Link through video. This way to increase traffic is to create our playlist. Like what? So here's a YouTube playlist. Click on this video. If he checks your channel through search, he must be searching for the answer to some question or some emotional value. So since he watched one of your videos through this checklist, he can see the first trick about YouTube, second skill, third skill, how YouTube went from 0 to 1,000 followers, how YouTube made $100 a month from zero, how to post short videos, and several ways to make money. Everything he wants to see is on this list. You can even think of it as a course, like YouTube Lessons Session 1, YouTube Lessons Session 2, YouTube Course Session 3. Then the first day, the second day, the third day to 100 days. This form, he looked at you for the first time. You take a second look. Their content is interconnected. Once you are inside the list of this video, there is a time when the content is hot when we go to open this video. There's a list of lists on the right-hand side of YouTube. And he would click on it. There will also be more recommendations. Let's look at the second list. Click this OBS directly. Click on this video. The same goes for VP. The trade server series will be in it. What do I have in here? He can take you directly to see it. This is the relational property that creates the video. That's it for today.